Good morning, my awesome students. I just wanted to click on, just get on here and just kind of walk you through some stuff just to make sure that you understand really how to access everything. Okay, so I've gone into Rapid Identity, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Canvas. So I'm going to click on Canvas. Now remember, mine's going to look different from yours. I have no idea why it's doing that, but that's okay. So we're going to go down to Math. All right. I want you to remember that you can go to Modules, right? And here, right here, where it says Online Textbook, Connect Ed, that's where your textbook is. Now, mine looks a little bit different because mine's the teacher. I'm going to click on Volume 1 Student Edition. Okay, so Volume 1 Student Edition, I can go up here to the top and I can click on, let's say, Chapter 8. Chapter 8 had inequalities, which is where we left off. We were finishing up that before spring break. Let's see if I can do this. So I'm going to click on Chapter 8, and I'm going to go down to, we can go down to any of these last lessons would be really good practice for you. Let's just go to this one, 8.5, I believe that is. Okay. So once you're right here, you can, so you go over here to these learning resources, right? Actually, let's go up to the eBook. So I clicked on eBook. And here it starts the textbook right at the beginning of that lesson that we clicked on, which was Lesson 5, Inequalities. And on this, something that I had not shown you how to do yet is that you see the pens over here? That's a highlighter. That's a pen. So you can click on the pen and, you can write over here. You can box, circle, underline. Let's see. You can even take notes. You can add notes to the left side or the right side of the page. That would be a good place to put questions that you have. And then you can use these arrows to toggle to the next pages. You see? And then you can go down at the bottom. You should be able to go down here. And on these, there's a tutor. There's vocabulary, tools. You can check yourself, e-help, and resources. Those resources should be worksheets. Yeah. And those are our worksheets. Now you can also come over here and click on all resources. And there should be a video where it says watch. So look at this.
I haven't done this in ages. Oh! Don't do that! Dear Tim and Moby, solving and graphing inequalities is totally confusing. We need some pointers. From Noah and Eric. Well, you can see an inequality at work here, right on the seesaw. My backpack weighs about 15 pounds, and Moby's weighs 20 pounds. The weight of Moby's backpack is greater than the weight of mine by 5 pounds. Now, since Moby removed that 10-pound weight from his pack, mine is the heavier one. When I take an identical 10-pound weight from my backpack, our backpacks have the same 5-pound difference we started with, and the inequality is the same as when we started. We both subtracted 10 pounds from the weight of our backpacks. subtract the same amount from both sides. Right, Moby, inequalities also remain true when we add the same to both sides, and when we multiply and divide each side by the same positive integer. But when it comes to multiplication and division with negative integers, you have to reverse the order symbol. Okay, now we use division to solve this inequality. Negative 5x divided by negative 5 is x, and 10 divided by negative 5 is negative 2. So we've got x is greater than negative 2. But that order symbol needs to be reversed because we divided both sides by a negative number. That's the rule. That makes sense. Negative 5 times negative 2 equals 10, so any number less than negative 2, like negative 3 times negative 5, should equal more than 10. Now, say we need to graph that solution, x is less than negative 2, on a number line. X can't be equal to negative 2, so we make an open circle around the negative 2 mark. And x is any number less than negative 2. That arrow means that any number less than negative 10 could also be equal to x. So, that's a graph of x is less than negative 2. To graph x is less than or equal to negative 2, we close up the circle. That tells us that negative 2 is included in the solution. So there you are, solving and graphing inequalities. My backpack.
Okay, and so you can play the movie again. You can play the quiz, okay? Now, that was a lot of information they put in that short little video, but that's all information that we had gone over prior to our break. So you do have videos here. I am going to be uploading videos that I make into the Math with Monica. So if you could, just try to access your book and see if you're able to get to that video. You can always email me with questions. Anyway, I hope that's helpful for you today, and you have an awesome day. Miss you guys.